In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to save a clean, useful report that shows up right where you need it. First, open Pipedrive and head to Insights on the left sidebar. This is your home base for analytics, dashboards, reports, and visual summaries of your sales activity. If you don't see it right away, look for the bar on the left and scroll if needed. Insights Live's there. Next, click Create at the top left. This is where you start anything new inside Insights. From the menu that appears, select Reports. Reports are the building blocks that feed your dashboards with data visuals and summaries. Now, it's time to create your report. Begin by choosing an entity and a report type. The entity is the kind of data you want to analyze. Think deals, activities, or leads. The report type tells Pipedrive how to analyze that entity, for example, focusing on performance, progress, or outcomes. Pick the combination that aligns with the question you want your report to answer, such as how many deals were won last month, or how activities are trending. Select the graph type, add your filters, choose the measure, and then click Save at the top right. Your graph type controls how the data appears: bars for easy comparisons, lines for trends over time, or a pie if you're looking at parts of a whole. Filters help you narrow the results to what matters, like a specific date range, pipeline, stage, or owner. The measure defines what's being calculated, such as the number of deals, the total deal value, or the average duration. As you make selections, keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm the report is telling the right story before you save. When you're ready, click Save at the top right. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and optionally add a short description to capture its purpose. After saving, your new report will be added to your dashboard inside Insights automatically, ready to view at a glance alongside your other visuals. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've created a focused, customizable report in Pipedrive. If you ever need to refine it, open the report from your dashboard, adjust the filters or measure, and save again to keep your insights accurate and up to date.